Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Meta Business Suite account security, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Meta Business Suite account security, begin by logging into your Meta Business Suite account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select the Security Center option. Here, you will find various security settings to enhance your account protection. First, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Click on the Two-Factor Authentication section and follow the prompts to set it up. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, either via SMS or an authentication app. After selecting your method, enter the verification code sent to your device to complete the setup. Next, review and update your account recovery options. Make sure your email address and phone number are current and accessible. This will ensure you can recover your account if you ever lose access. Next, check the Login Alerts feature to receive notifications whenever there's a login from an unrecognized device. This will help you monitor any unauthorized access attempts to your account. Following this, take a look at any devices currently linked to your account. Remove any devices that you do not recognize or no longer use. Additionally, review your active sessions to ensure no one else is logged in. If you discover an unfamiliar session, log out immediately. Finally, regularly review and update your security settings. Keeping your security features fresh will help protect your account from potential threats. By following these steps, you can activate your Meta Business Suite account security effectively. Stay vigilant and make security a priority for your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.